Hey friends, if you're new to meditation and feeling a bit overwhelmed, don't worry. I've got you covered with 4 simple techniques to get you started. Let's dive in. First up, we have mindful breathing. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in. Feel your belly rise. Exhale slowly, letting go of any tension. Focus solely on your breath. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the breath. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Next, body scan meditation. Lie down on your back, arms relaxed at your sides. Start by focusing on your toes, then slowly move your attention upwards through your body. Notice any sensations, tensions, or areas of relaxation. This helps you become more aware of your body and can be quite grounding. Third, loving kindness meditation. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Begin by sending kind and loving thoughts to yourself. Repeat phrases like, "May I be happy," "May I be healthy." Then, extend these thoughts to loved ones, acquaintances, and even people you find challenging. This practice fosters compassion and reduces negative emotions. Lastly, guided visualization. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position, close your eyes and imagine a peaceful place. It could be a beach, a forest, or anywhere that feels serene to you. Engage all your senses to make the scene vivid. Smell the ocean, feel the breeze. This technique helps reduce stress and enhance relaxation. And there you have it, 4 simple meditation techniques to get you started on your journey. Remember, the key is consistency. Give yourself the gift of a few mindful minutes each day. Thanks for watching and happy meditating.